All right. For these four questions, understand this. First, you are given kilohertz and you are given megahertz. So you got kilohertz up here, and then you're going to be given megahertz down here. All right. Kilohertz will be 1,000 hertz, which you would then make E3. All right. So the kilo will stand for E3 or times 10 to the 3. So if you have to do 550 kilohertz, you're really going to have 550 E3 hertz. Okay? So all of these is just using V equals F lambda. Okay? And they're all going to be looking for wavelength, lambda. So all of these will use a formula basically that lambda will be equal to velocity divided by frequency. So for all of them, you're going to do 3 times 10 to the 8th. Now I understand you have this up here, and you can use this number. When you round that 2.99, it will be 3 times 10 to the 8th. I don't care which one you use. It will be within 1% error. So I'm just going to do 3 times 10 to the 8th, but you could use a 2.99 instead. So you do 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by 550 kilohertz, which would be 550, oops, E3. That's really ugly, but that's supposed to be an E3, and get your answer. All right, 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by 1600, E3, and get your answer. Now, it asks for the shortest wavelength. Pick the smaller number to get the shortest wavelength, okay? Don't just assume that use 550 to get the answer to 1, or vice versa. All right, now when we go down to 3, same thing. You're still going to be going 3 times 10 to the 8th. But now it's divided by a megahertz, so 108 E, and mega is times 10 to the 6th. All right, and get your answer. And again, for the other one, 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by, what was it, 88 megahertz, which is E6. Get your answer. And again, pick the one for the shortest wavelength. Pick the smallest number here. Don't just assume it's one or the other. All right, and that's how you get 1 through 4.